Alright, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to BRAINYBITE tutorial. Okay, I believe some of my subscribers, some of us knows us very well and also know what we do here. Alright, so if you are a newcomer, if you're a new subscriber, you are welcome. We are BRAINYBITE tutorial. Okay, so what we do in this channel is that we teach you guys things that concerns jamb, university, and admission at large. All right, so that's what we do. And not only that, we also help you get admission. That's to say that if you have a very low jamb score, and if you have a very low jamb score and you have been writing jamb for a very long time now, you have not gotten admission, this is your opportunity. What you will do for us to subscribe to our YouTube channel, let me know in the comment section that you want to join our WhatsApp community, because WhatsApp, I will have a WhatsApp community for our registered candidates. Okay, so that's basically what we do. Okay, so we'll help you, and at the end you'll get an admission and go to school. All right, so that's what we can do for you. So now today, just like the way I promised you guys, I have done the very part of this video, the first part of this video. This is the second, which is the last part of the video. I told you guys, or I promised you guys, that any question I receive from my candidate there, I will come here to answer the question, so that you out there will also learn from the question as well. All right, so I know that so many of you have been asking this question over the time, that want to know the schools that doesn't write Post UTME and schools that write Post UTME. So don't panic again. I'm here for you guys now. So I have come with the completion of the video for the federal universities that doesn't write Post UTME examination in Nigeria, right? I'm here. So I've come with that. So I've done the first part of the video, which is the part 1, and promised to do the second part, which is the second and the last part, which is the part 2, which is the one I'm doing right here now. So if you are not yet a subscriber, please, I want to encourage you to subscribe and turn on the bell notification, so that whenever I drop any content just like the one you are watching right now, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. All right, so because I promised you guys before that I'll be dropping updates back to back. That's my promise. Back to back update that concerns your schools and admission. So as a member of BRAINYBITE channel, you are not going to miss out with anything that has to do with your admission. All right, I promise you guys that I will direct you from the beginning to the end, and also help you so that at the end you celebrate, and you celebrate with us together. Okay, so let's go right to the video. So the first one on our list, we are starting from Federal University Lafia, which is popularly known as Fulafia. So if you know the school, you understand and agree with me that they don't write Post UTME. What they only do is online screening. That doesn't mean that you'll be present. You just do their registration and leave everything for them. They will be the one to do the screening, and at the end you get your result out. You print your result and see what they score you. All right, they will score you with your jamb score and your WAEC or NECO or GCE NAPTEP result. Okay, so if there's anything you don't understand after this video, please, I want you to let me know in the comment section. I will not hesitate to do the video for you guys. Or if there is any other further video that you want me to do for you, let me also know in the comment section. I'll be right there to answer all of your questions. All right, so that you win with us, and when you win, you keep winning. Okay, so now the next one on our list is Federal University of Oyo Ekiti. So that's one. Federal University of Oyo Ekiti State. Okay, so they don't do Post UTME. All right, the third one on our list is Michael Okpara University of Agriculture Umudike, popularly known as MOUAU. Okay, so if you know the school, you know the school. They don't write Post UTME. What they only do is online screening. Sorry. So the next one, which is the fourth one on our list, Modibo Adama University of Technology, Motech. Modibo Adama University of Technology. Okay, so they don't write Post UTME. Okay, they don't write Post UTME. What they only do is screening. That's what they do. Okay, so I don't want this video to be very long. don't want it to be very long. So the next one on our list, which is the number 51, is Umaru Musa Yar'Adua University, which is popularly known as UMYU. They don't write Post UTME is screening. Okay, so the 6th one on our list is Usman Danfodiyo University, Sokoto State. All right, they don't write Post UTME. What they do is screening. The 7th one on our list is University of Maiduguri. University of Maiduguri. They don't write Post UTME. What they do is screening. All right. The 8th one on our list is University of Jos. University of Jos. They don't write Post UTME. What they do is screening. Okay. The 9th one on our list is University of Nigeria, Nsukka. Nsukka. Somebody asked this question earlier today. So University of Nigeria, Nsukka. They don't write Post UTME. What they do is screening. The 9th one on our list is Federal University of Technology, Owerri. They don't write Post UTME. What they do is screening. The 10th one on our list is Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. They don't write Post UTME. What they do is screening. The last on our list, which is where I'll be ending this video, is Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu University. They don't write Post UTME. What they do is screening. So this is where I'll be ending this video. So if you have been watching this content from the beginning of this video to the very last of this video, I want to appreciate you so much. All right, I want to appreciate you guys a whole lot. Okay, so what you will do for us, if you have not subscribed, if you're not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, so we'd like to have you again, and don't forget, I will promise to be giving you guys updates back to back. So it's advised to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so that whenever I drop any amazing video, just like the one you just finished watching now, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. All right, so I love you guys, and until I see you again, don't forget I still love and cherish you. Okay, keep winning, and when you win, you keep winning.